Reaper reaching for the kill switch, the label cut the check like the blazement. Something sparking where his brain is. The beat is somewhere where they prayers in. Geronimo, the way I make the bass jump when no parachute is tasteless. They likely to run their mouth, but when they see you face to face, they
What up, Team Buckhouse? Welcome to another beautiful Mammoth Mountain Day. Today I think we're just gonna hit the park a lot more than we did yesterday. We hit the park for a little bit, then we went and explored the mountain. And it's sick, but it's not gonna get as warm as it did yesterday. So the upper part might be a little firm all day today. So we're just gonna hang out in the park and it's gonna be fun. So keep watching and then subscribe. Here we go. All those kids are like, Buckhouse sucks. Not gonna lie, guys, it feels good to be back in Mammoth ripping. Like I said last video, I've been I came here like 3 years ago and we ripped, and we had a really good time. I learned a bunch of tricks, and we're here for a lot more days this time. So we're gonna learn a lot of tricks. We're gonna hug a lot of stuff, but we're going to like ease our way into the whole time out here. Also, like this smaller side, it's sick, and we're gonna film a couple out videos today too. Overall, the vibe is the sun wasn't supposed to come out today, so like that's a win. We already won the day. Win then. First box, I'm gonna just switch all day today. Oh, it was there. Shot the living out of the first jump. I don't know if I got the shot. I was just trying not to die. All right, guys, I just wanted to take a second to stop and do today's sticker shout out. We got your favorite bar keep with the Black Evolution sticker going up the mountains on the snowboard, looking insane, man. As well as we got Jordan Simmons with the Mountain t-shirt, looking insane, guys. It's the warmest merch in the game. It's the best for this type of riding, by the way. Like the hoodies, t-shirts, long sleeves, the windbreakers. I mean, it's warm out here. You don't want to be wearing a jacket and stuff, so you can rock the Evolution merch. Everyone can see it, and it's going to keep you safe on the mountain. You're not going to get a bunch of burns and whatnot, but also you're not going to be super duper hot out here. So snag any of that merch, guys. And in big sticker news, we now have slappables, which are these like sticker, like they're not the full-blown Evolution, but these slappables, it's a pack of 4, and they're I did $8. And yeah, you just slap them on your ski resort. That's the whole point. You can slap them on stuff. You can put them on your gear, but ideally you want to get the legit one. People can see it. But yeah, slappables are now available. Those are linked in the description as well. And if you're a skier, we do have a ski version of the Evolution sticker. But once again, all the merch, guys, is linked down below. It's how I can take me and Cody and the whole family on this epic 2.5-month journey of riding Mount Hood and then going over to Timberline and whatnot. So all of the merch, guys, is linked down below. So if you guys do snag the merch, you're supporting the dream, literally supporting the dream. But also tag me on my Instagram. I'll give you guys gear and sticker shout outs in the vlogs like we just did, as well as follow the Instagram, TikTok for bonus extra content. Now that the plug is out of the way, let's keep sending it. I'm having fun. We did just did a 5. I don't know if Cody got it. He said he got a little scared on that one, and got a little squirrely. And it happens, you know. Every run is a risk. One of these days we're gonna get into the main park, the big park. It looks sick, a lot of fun rails, but right now we're in jumps because jumps go away eventually, and we want to hit stuff while we can. Just chilling. Oh. excuses on Buckhouse vlogs, but the sun is kind of gone now. It's like under a cloud. It's not as bright as it was, you know. And it is a real thing that when the sun is shining, like you vibe it.
Yeah, you feel way better.
Yeah, you can see better. You're sending it a little harder. So, I mean, not the end of the world, but yeah, adjustment now. So I think maybe a pot coke through here and there. I don't know.
As much as the wind's blowing, we might get a few pockets.
Yeah, and it was a good day. Like I said, it was supposed to be cloudy all day. Now, we've already had so much sun. We filmed 3 videos today. Dope. Bunch of little how-to gems for you guys, which we like to drop here.
That wind now.
The wind! That wind ripped all my teeth.
Yeah, there's nothing. That shifty back one was clean though.
So I'm guilty of always doing a shifty when I do a back one. There's no shifty back one.
No shifty back one.
Here, back one. Alright guys, so I don't know if we got the last run. I fell a bunch. What's happening is I'm getting tired on top of the snow's becoming pure mashed potatoes. So in the springtime you have this nice window of like killing it and sending it, and that window is basically coming to an end, or it's gonna get really sloppy or potato-y, but also like I'm a little tired. We went hard when we were supposed to go hard, which is ideal. So like there's a lot of tricks and tips when it comes to riding this late in the season. I actually have a whole video on that right here. You guys can check that out. And so this one's gonna be chipmunk, is what I'm trying to say to you guys. So here we go, chipmunk.
Potatoes. That kink.
What a day. We did a bunch of tricks, had a lot of fun. And we're about to film another video on the way out of here. So we're going to end this one here. So with that, Team Buckhouse, thank you so much for shredding with us today. And as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you tomorrow with another video, because it is daily on this snowboard channel.